Hello, everyone. It's Miss Newman here with your sixth grade broadcast journalism class. Today we're going to be talking about how to choose the right image for our broadcasts and our articles. So last time we got familiar with how to use Britannica Image Quest to find and search images using keywords. And today we're going to dig a little bit deeper and answer the burning question. So you found a ton of pictures. Which one should you choose? In thinking about that, there are a few criteria that will be the goal for this lesson. We're going to learn how to choose that image based upon the purpose. So why are you looking for an image? What is your article about? And the image quality and format. So does that picture fit with your broadcast? Is it the right size and the right shape and the right color for your news article? So in thinking about that today, the example we're going to use is an article that is being written by the 8th grade journalism class, where they are looking at the school's decrease in school bullying. The success that the schools had with the upstander and peer mentoring programs have led to a decrease in school bullying. And they need some images to go with the broadcast and the newsletter article about this decrease. So let's go back to Britannica and find some images. So let's put in bullying, since that is one of the topics, and see what we find. Okay, it looks like there is too much. This is office bullying and all these other things. So we are going to instead put school bullying, and there we go. And I see there's a picture of a poster board about stopping bullying, and that's good because that's kind of where we're going. I'm going to save that picture. We learned how to save last time. Here's a picture of, well, these could be middle school girls, and they don't look like they're being very nice to each other. Let's see if I can find some more kids maybe bullying or not treating each other well. Maybe these boys are not treating each other well. But then I'm going to remember that the article is about cooperation and bullying stopping. So I'm going to change my search keywords to cooperation and school and see if I can find another image that might, look at that. Middle school students working together and cooperating. That looks like some non-bullying happened. So I'm going to save this image too. So it looks like now I have saved 4 good images, and how do I pick which one? Let's look at our criteria again. What is the purpose of the image, and looking at the quality and format. So I'm going to give you just about 10 to 30 seconds to look at these images, and you decide which one you would choose for the decrease in bullying article. Okay. So there is an argument to be made for any of these, really. But I would say for me, I would choose either this one because it's stopping bullying. Looks like the school has a program to stop bullying. And this one because it looks like it is middle school students who are currently not bullying each other. My concern with this one might be that it wouldn't show up well on the newsletter. Some of the words are a little faded and hard to see, whereas these kids are all very bright and easy to see. So I think I might choose this one, although you might have made another choice. Coming back to think about what we learned, make sure that when you search for images, you're using terms that match your article's content to bring you pictures that best match the overall point of your article. And then also you're picking an image that will work in the newsletter or for a broadcast background. Thank you all. I will see you next time.